Hi guys, welcome to our channel Gags and G. Today we'll be sharing recipe of Fulco flaky luchi. So let's get started. All you need is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of refined oil. Mix it well. This is the most crucial part of making the luchi. You should make sure the oil should well combine with the flour so that when you take a little bit of flour in your hand and when you press it, it should be holding the shape. That means it's done. Now we will be kneading the dough with the help of lukewarm water. Make sure to knead it for at least 10 to 12 minutes to make the dough really soft and fluffy. Make sure you're using lukewarm water and not normal water. That is the hack of making the perfectly puffed up and flaky luchi. I will advise you to put all your frustration in knitting the dough, and I can assure you it will be perfect. If it is a little bit hard, then you can add up a little bit of more water and keep kneading it until it is soft. So, what is the main indication of the dough being knit really well? The main indication here is there should be not even a single granule of flour sticking to the bowl. That means the dough has been knit really well. It's finally done. All you need to do is brush a little bit of refined oil and cover it with a damp cloth for 30 minutes. So it has been sitting for 30 minutes already. So now it is time to start making small dough out of it. With 2 cups of all purpose flour, you can make at least 13 to 14 luchis. Now we'll take one small dough and we'll press it in our hand, and then we'll start rolling it with a rolling pin. To ease out the rolling, you can add a little bit of oil or you can add a little bit of refined flour. Here we have used refined flour for rolling. Make sure the thickness should be medium. It shouldn't be very thick or very thin. So similarly, we will be rolling all the other small doughs and make a luchi out of it. Now we'll take a wok and we'll add sufficient amount of refined oil and we'll heat it for at least 10 minutes in high flame. Then we'll bring down the heat and fry the puris in it. The trick here to make puffy luchis is you have to press it in the middle very softly and you will have to fry it, and you'll see that it will get puffed up. See, you can clearly see that we pressed it in the middle and it got puffed up. We will fry it for hardly 2 minutes to 3 minutes and it's done. All you have to do now is drain out the excess oil and our flaky puffy luchis are done. Similarly, we will be frying the rest of the luchis. These fluffy fulgo luchis and aloo dum is a classic Bengali combination, and it also pairs beautifully with chola dal, kosha mangsho, hing, jeere aloo and whatnot. Today we are having the luchis with aloo chachuri. Trust me, it is really delicious. You should try this recipe out and let us know how it was. Subscribe to our channel for more such recipes. We'll meet again next week. Until then, bye bye.